Huh? Damn. Mhm. Oh. Oh, there you go. It's okay. They'll go away. They'll go away. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, say hi. Damon, say hi. Hi.
Yeah, don't.
Oh god, that'd be freaky.
Like in Toy Story where he's picking up Woody, that's a toy, not in the head.
Oh, you're fighting with your hands? You're fighting with your hands. Nice.